Email writing request for picnic. Date 10th August 2000. You can write date when you are writing this letter from. You can write your email ID here too, and you can write here whom you are sending the email. Dear Sir Ma'am, I hope you are well. I am writing this email on behalf of the students of class 10 to kindly request permission to organize a picnic. We would like to arrange a one day picnic during the upcoming holiday. The picnic will help students relax and improve friendship among classmates. All students will follow school rules and teachers will be requested to guide us. We kindly request you to consider our request and grant us permission. Thank you for your time and consideration. Your obediently student of class 10 XYZ Secondary School. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Come for next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Enjoy and comment next video topics.